Hey guys, welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own pecan cinnamon honey granola. This stuff is amazing and I'm going to be showing you how to make it very quick and easy. It's not all drawn out. Instead of buying that granola that you get from the store, you don't know what's inside of it, how it's processed, and all the ingredients you would like to know, right? So why not make your own? I'm going to show you how to do it yourself, and it's so tasty. You can put this on Greek yogurt, regular yogurt, on top of ice cream, and I also eat this as my cereal instead of buying a lot of processed cereals that you also don't know what's inside. So let's get started. So I have some imitation vanilla, I have some cinnamon, I have pecans, I have some honey, raw honey, and I have some butter, which is the Smart Balance butter, and that's about a good 2 tablespoons that I have melted. And then I'm going to be using 2 cups of old-fashioned oats. So let's get into it. Now you definitely need a pan with parchment paper on it so that the granola doesn't stick to your cookie sheet. You want to make sure you have old-fashioned oats. You do not want quick oats. You want old-fashioned oats because they will get dried out and really grainy because of the process of cooking in the oven. Start off by chopping up a cup of pecans. That's going to be the hardest part of this. Next, I'm going to get my bowl and I'm going to add to the bowl 2 cups of the old-fashioned oats. Now to my butter, I'm going to add the other ingredients because I want all that to get nicely blended inside of my oats, and I love the cinnamon flavor, so I'm going to get a nice amount of cinnamon. Then I'm also going to put about a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, and then we're going to mix that up like so. Then now you can also add salt, and I think it depends. Like sometimes if I use this, I don't, but if I use my grapeseed oil, which is another way that I make it as well, I will add salt. But this has a little bit of salt in the butter, so I don't want to add that. So now I'm going to take and I'm going to add my pecans to this mixture here. All right, there you have it. So now I'm going to take my honey and I'm going to add about 1/3 of a cup of honey to this mixture. That's it. And then I'm going to add my butter. So simple, guys. And now we're going to mix. All right. You want this to mix really well, really well. You want that honey and butter to be coated all over these oats, so that way when you're eating this, it is going to be filled with flavor in every bite. All right, nicely mixed. Let's get our parchment prepared cookie sheet. Now we're laying that out on there, like so. And you just want to spread it out in a nice layer. You can keep it kind of clumped up if you want like clumps of it, or you can just thin it out if you know you're going to use it like for different desserts, ice creams and stuff like that, or cereal. But I like the clumps in my cereal as well. So we're going to get all this goodness out and then we're going to go to the next step. All right, so that's what it looks like. Do you guys see how tasty that looks even before it goes in the oven? All right, guys. So now we have it ready to go in the oven, and that is a 300-degree oven, and you're going to put it in there for about 25 to 30 minutes. You can stir it if you like to. I usually don't because I like to get the clumps and I like to break it up and let it, you know, be like big nice pieces and morsels. So it's up to you, but 25 to 30 minutes, and then it's time to come out. But I'm getting ready to put it in. All right, in the oven it goes. Guys, it was taken out, and what you want to do now is just leave it and let it sit. The longer it cools, it gets crunchier, and it is already crunchy. It's already crunchy, guys, but I'm not dropping it. But you want to just kind of break it up so the air can get through to it and let it get crunchier. And then what I do is I take and I put it inside a glass container, and then I'll have it inside my pantry, and I use it for my cereals. or yogurts or something like that, or ice cream. Now let this sit. Remember to stir it. I don't know if I told you that, but you want to stir it like every 7 to 8 minutes of the time that you put it in the oven. And you want to cook it, like I said, if I didn't say it already, for about 25 to 30 minutes, but keep watching it because it's going to get harder and crunchier as the air gets through it too. So get through it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure you thumbs up the video. If you have any questions, leave them below. Make sure if you're new to the family that you join my family by hitting that subscribe button and hitting the notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. And guess what, guys? I will see you guys later, gators.